Ever wish you could just magically erase a distracting background from your videos? Head over to runwayml.com and sign up for a free account. If you already have one, simply log in. Once you're in, navigate to the AI Magic Tools section. You can find it on the left-hand sidebar or by scrolling down the main dashboard. Look for the green screen tool, also known as background removal. Click on it to open the tool. Now, upload the video you want to edit. Simply drag and drop your video file into the designated area, or click the Choose File button to select it from your computer. Runwayml will automatically analyze your video and start removing the background. This process might take a few moments, depending on the length and complexity of your video. Once processing is complete, you'll see your video with a transparent background. You can now download the video in various formats, such as MP4 with alpha channel, allowing you to seamlessly overlay it onto other images or videos. For the best results in most video editing software, select MP4 with alpha channel. This will preserve the transparency. And that's it. You've successfully removed the background from your video using Runwayml. Now you can easily place your subject in any scene you can imagine.